Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously I've got the gestures applied right now, but no worries, I will simply show you where you can find proper section where you can switch the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And as you can see at the top we've got system navigation, so let's simply tap on it. Here, as I said, I've got the gesture, so let me switch quickly to the 3 button navigation. As you can see, the options are a little bit different than they were before, because here we can customize the 3 button navigation, so for example reorder the back button and the recents, and we can add this new icon, this new feature. Alright, so all you have to do if you've got the 3 button navigation is to tap on this animation, and if you want to you can simply tap on learn and your device will display a tutorial so we can go through it and learn how to use the gestures. I will just explain it in a second, so you don't have to go through the tutorial. So after setting the gestures, obviously we will have this line instead of the 3 buttons, which is responsible for particular gestures. You can set the sensitivity for the left edge and right edge to low or high, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It is affected, for example, by the case or basically your personal preferences. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here. Something like that, and here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.